And the reason that I mentioned that litigation, or at least the term ADR, is perhaps not technically correct as meaning an alternative to litigation, what I'm talking about is the fact that litigation itself was the first alternative dispute resolution procedure. So not only does litigation get somewhat of a bad name in terms of always being the wrong process and always being the wrong way to go, I don't think that's true. Litigation still serves a very valuable place and is a valuable tool in a civilized nation. And it's a tool and a process that I appreciate that we have, because litigation was the first alternative dispute resolution process, and it was an alternative to war, violence, clubs, knives, spears, cannons, and so forth to resolve a dispute. And if we sit and think about this, this may sound silly and overly simplistic, but when we think about this, there's a lot of countries today, in this year 2011, that still have as their primary dispute resolution process violence and war. So that's why I say let's don't put litigation down too much, because as the really first alternative, it's a much preferred alternative, is it not, than to violence and combat to resolve a dispute.